Hey guys, it's Skylar and welcome back. Today I have uni, so I thought it would be a good idea to just sit down and film a really simple makeup routine. This is something that I do when I'm going to school, when I'm going to work, or even if I'm just going out, like out and about. I like to do this. I feel like all of the tutorials that I have on my channel so far have been really glam, so I thought it'd be a good idea to just sit down and film a really simple makeup tutorial. It takes like not even 15 minutes. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So in New England, it's freezing. And normally when it's like wintertime and really cold, I like to do matte looks, but recently I've just really been feeling the dewy vibe. So that's what I'm going for today, is a really dewy skin. So I'm going in with my favorite combination, which is the YSL All Hours Foundation, and I am in the shade B10. And I'm just gonna get like a pump of that. I'm at like the end of my container, so I need to get a new one. Then I'm gonna go in with the CoverFX Custom Enhancer Drops, and this is in the shade Celestial. And I'm gonna just take a little bit of that and drop some of that in the foundation. And then what I'm gonna do is take a damp beauty blender, and I usually use the flat side to go in to blend out my foundation. And I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and spray my sponge a couple times. And then I'm gonna take that and just mix together those two products that we just put on at the back of our hand. And I'm gonna begin to blend this on my face. And I usually work in sections, so like I do this side of my face first, and then the other side of my face, and then my forehead and nose. I'm gonna go back in with that luminous skin mist, spray it a couple more times, pick up a little bit more of that product, and go in on the other side of my face. Alright, spraying my beauty sponge a couple more times with that Tatcha Luminous Skin Mist. And I'm just going in with even more product, and I'm going to blend that out on my forehead. I don't know why, but my forehead is breaking out really bad, and I'm not feeling it. Alright, I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Fair Neutral. And I'm just going to take that on my under eyes, right along the bridge of my nose, and then, like I said, my forehead is breaking out, and I got it in my hair. Then I'm just going to take the pointed side of my beauty blender and blend all of that out. Now that I have my foundation and concealer on, I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar Translucent Powder, and I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender still, and I take a little bit of that on the pointed tip, and I just pack that on like the underneath of my eye and right on my eye. And this is just to prevent it all from creasing. And I just really press that powder into the skin. I think that this helps tremendously with creasing. I find that if I don't do this, it doesn't matter what I put down for product, it will crease. So I just really take my time to press that powder in. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my forehead, because I make a lot of facial expressions, and like I have one wrinkle in the center of my forehead that will crease if I don't. And then I will also go in right here along the sides of my nose where my pores are pretty big. To warm my face up a little bit, I'm going to go in with the TooFaced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. This is in the shade Medium. And I'm going to go in with a Morphe M438 brush. And I'm going to take some of that product and run this in the contours of my cheeks. I'm also going to go in with the Morphe E4 brush. This is just a tapered, fluffy brush, and I'm going to take more of that product and go along the sides of my forehead and down the sides of my face into that contour that we put on our cheeks. I'm going to go back in with that Pretty Vulgar Translucent Powder and go back in with the damp beauty blender, and along the flat side of the beauty blender, I'm going to pick up some of that powder and just stamp that along my jawline, and this is just to sharpen up that contour. I'm also going to let that sit there for a couple minutes while we go in with blush. For today, I'm going to go in with the Note Desert Rose Blush. This is a really pretty orange shade. And I'm going to go in with a Morphe M523 brush and pick up a little bit of that. And this is really pigmented, so because my skin is so fair, I have to tap off the excess and then actually press the brush into like the back of my hand a little bit before I apply it, because otherwise it goes on way too pigmented. And then I'll kind of just brush that along the apples of my cheeks and blend it up. You always want to blend up with blush. And I kind of blend that also into the contour so it blends pretty seamlessly. I'm also gonna go ahead and apply some of this to the tip of my nose. I'm also gonna go ahead and take this brush and get rid of that powder that we just stamped on our face. And you can see it just kind of sharpens up the contour a little bit. For eyebrows today, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Medium. And I am also gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Chocolate. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, but I do have a tutorial all about how to draw in your eyebrows. So if you're interested on how to do that, I will link the video down below and you can check it out for yourself. But for today, I'm doing mine off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes and then go in with mascara. For today, I'm using the TooFaced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm actually not gonna put on eyelashes today. I find that they get irritating throughout the day and I don't feel like dealing with them. So just mascara. The last thing I'm gonna do is go in with the Urban Decay Afterglow highlighter. This is in Sin, and I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M310 brush and put this on the very tops of my cheekbones. And I'm also gonna put this on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and then my Cupid's bow as well. That's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. I'm dying slowly. And I'm just gonna put that where I feel like I need it. Oh my god, stop getting in my hair. This really completes the look. I think the eyebrows are everything. No mascara. Who needs her? I am like the Bob the Builder of eyebrows. Got a blast.